Go back where they came from. No demonic PNP shall prosper. Yeah, good night, Gertrude. Good night, Labor Rights. Share the live. Tap up the screen and get me to 10K. Good night, Jimmy from Pennsylvania. Jimmy from Pennsylvania, good night. Type in the chat and tell me who you vote for, Trump or Kamala. Type in the chat. Can't touch Andrew. Big up Andrew Michael Ones. The most honorable Dr. Ones, good night. Bridget, we not going about Trump. Good night, Bridget.
Should you feel like
Trumpian,
let the strength of your ancestors fill your cup.
Big up Andrew Michael Ones. As of course, Jimmy. Definitely we're voting for Andrew Michael Ones. Lat Eva, good night. Marcia, good night. Shan, Shower Labor Rights. Shower Labor Rights. Shower Labor Rights. Can't touch Andrew Michael Ones.
I'm walking through this valley of death, and I've never been a weak heart in the wilderness.
Share the live, guys, and get me to 10K.
So cutting through the ice and the depths, we trample frustration.
We trample the PNP. Trample Mark Jefferson Golden. Tapanaris Dan. Tapanaris Dan Mark Golden can go back to where he come from. Go on back to England, Mark Golden, we don't want it down here. Prosperity over poverty every time, Bubbles. People over party every time. Policies over promises every time. Can't touch Andrew. Who this? Kasiko, good night. Good night to Dr. the Honorable Andrew Michael Ones. Weather the storm, Prime Minister Ones.
Should you feel like giving up?
Don't give up, Prime Minister. Don't give up, Andrew. We have your back. Yes, Bridget, me love that. Prosperity over poverty. Policies over promises. People over party. Big up Andrew Michael Ones. Best Prime Minister. Best Member of Parliament. Cause they can't stop Andrew Ones. Can't stop Andrew Michael Brogard Ones. Can't touch the lion Andrew Ones. Big up with Prime Minister, guys. Big up with Prime Minister. We're proud of him. We support him. And the more PNP a spoil up, the more
them come with science. No, them can't break the heart of a lion.
Can't break the heart of Andrew Ones.
Them a iron up.
And the more PNP a spoil up. Big up Dr. Ones, people. Big up with Prime Minister. Prime Minister, we love you. We support you. We have your back, Andrew Ones. Andrew Ones, we have your back. No weapon formed against Andrew Michael Ones shall prosper. Big up Dr. Ones. Big up Prime Minister Ones. Hard-working Prime Minister. Prime Minister will say prosperity over poverty. Prime Minister will say policies over promises. say when people over party. Big up Andrew Oldness, everybody. One Andrew Oldness. One Dr. Oldness. Shower labor. Can't go back where they came from. No demonic PNP shall prosper. Yes. And the Obi and the science man Mark Golding can go back where him come from. No demonic PNP shall prosper. No demonic integrity commission shall prosper. Integrity commission. Pastor Pantan. Pastor Pantan up at the integrity commission. You have to go down. Wicked Lucifer Pantan.
Don't you feel like giving up? Let the strength.
Don't give up Labour Party. Don't give up Labour rights. Third term is loading. Third term is loading. Third term. Third term. And the woman and the science man come. Cause they can't touch Andrew Oldness. Can't touch bro God Oldness. He's blessed and highly favored. No weapon that form against Andrew Oldness shall prosper. Big up to Dr. the Honorable. Them a aisle up. PNP a spoil up. The more Mark a plan up, and the more we are gonna beat him. Mark up. Oh yeah, the more the Barretta rise up. Grassroots, can you get me a job program? What kind of job program you want, Grassroots? You have any skill? Do you have any skill, Grassroots? Because our trust is free. No lazy people not supposed to do their yard sit down. Our trust is free. One Dr. Honorable Andrew Oldness. God them can't touch. Guys, good night and welcome. Guys, ladies and gentlemen, good evening. PNP, comrades and independents, share the life. Guys, today I see my counselor from the Patrick Division out of Manchester. My mom tell me say me no know the man and I want to see the man because whole heap of things in the Patrick Division want do. So I saw the man today and I point out the relevant things. The man, guys, you know what the councillor tell me? Everything when me tell the councillor need to be done in the constituency. The councillor tell me say a road are supposed to do it. So guys, you know say all of the constituency, all of the division them were run by JLP with a PNP councillor. Dog, what's up, you know, guys? People, all of the constituencies, all of the division that was won by a PNP with a JLP MP. Dog, nyam, we supper. Because the PNP councillor them no plan for do no work at all, you know. The PNP councillor them don't plan for do no work at all. Them plan for just save up their money and put all of the blame on the MP. Because everything when me point out to me councillor to do, the councillor tell me say are the MP if do it. Me said this road you want fix, he say the MP if do it. Me said this patching you want, he said the MP if do it. Me said the drain round there so for clean when rain fall, he said the MP if do it. Me said Jesus Christ. But we not trouble. You see what you say winning matter? No for no labor right we sit down on no bottom way there and never go out, go vote for no councillor. You know see say winning matter? Because look at it now. Here comes my PNP councillor telling me today that him cannot help me because the road when me point out to him say one fix it, say me must go on to me MP. The drain when me point out to him telling say one fix it, say me must go on to me MP. Jesus God. Eh? So that means that the PNP councillor didn't plan for do nothing, guys. The People's National Party councillors under Mark Jefferson Golding, because them know say the Jamaican people don't know the difference between a parochial road and a NWA road. They don't plan for do nothing at all. They plan to save up their money to buy vote when election time come around. The councillors, the People's National Party councillors are planning to save up all of the money when they get to buy vote when the general election is called. Because my councillor tell me say, I know him supposed to fix no road at all. He's the MP. No. Me see the people of Jamaica all over the place. Me hear them from Hole in the Wall program that a Stefano P. Diddy Stevens program. A complaint say pothole in a road and this road and that road and this road want fix. Me not understand on the people, you know. Is it that on not hear, or no lack of knowledge, or no just like politics? Or no expect government to fix road in a rain? In comrades and independence, how do you guys expect the government to fix road in a unnecessary rain fall? Unnecessary rain. Every night we come on the program and me tell you say the Spark program is coming. The government of Jamaica is rolling out the Spark program next month. And a whole heap of road I go fix. Hundreds of road. And me also tell you say make sure say you consult with a member of parliament and point them to the road you want to fix first. Why is you don't want? You just love politics and you just love problem around a PNP. And that Mark Golding sending you out for condo? In comrades? And that Mark Golding sending you out for come do every single day a cuss about patrol in a road? The roads will be fixed. The roads will be fixed. The Spark program are going to roll out next month and the roads will be fixed. We don't have to wait until the rain don't fall. We can't fix road in a rain. And the Kingston and St. Andrew municipality that is run by the People's National Party, are them supposed to clean the drain. It's the Marcus Garvey driveway will flood out, and the PNP supposed to clean the drain. The People's National Party are them supposed to clean the drain. Down a Ward Avenue in a Manchester, in a Mandeville West, but flood out. A PNP, the lazy Mayor Mitchell, and him supposed to clean the drain. So me realize a whole heap of people don't know how government work. The People's National, you don't realize that all of the municipalities that are run by the People's National Party is in a deplorable condition. You don't realize? Kingston and St. Andrew, full of garbage and no drain no clean. Manchester, no drain no clean by Mayor Mitchell. St. Catherine, no drain no clean by the lazy mayor way over there. People, I'm telling you something. You need to hold your councillors accountable. You need to hold your councillors accountable. You put on orange shirt in February and come out in the numbers, come vote for them. You call them now when you drain one clean. Call them now when the roads are flooded. Call the PNP councillor them want to vote for. Call Mayor Mitchell. Call Mayor Scott. Call Fitzroy Wilson. Call the lazy mayor where they are Kingston and St. Andrew. Call them. And them supposed to clean the drains. All of the PNP mayor them now do no work. The mayor in a Manchester no work. One of the laziest mayor, Mayor Mitchell. The one out of Spanish Town, Mayor Scott, lazy. Call on the mayor. Call the councillor, them want to come out in the numbers in the Patrick division. When you guys came out in your numbers and voted for Carl Smith, and now from no vote for him, you don't take on a yai and see him back. Call him on the phone. Call Carl Smith on the phone and tell him say the drain them want clean. What are we at pan? every month, then get money from Desmond Mackenzie to clean the drains and to do debushing. Then nah, do nothing. Because when me talk to me counselor today, me counselor tell me say, me have to go and talk to me member of parliament because as she's supposed to do the work. So basically when I try tell me say, nah, do no work. He not doing anything. And the member of parliament supposed to do it. So me see all I want PNP people. I run up and down and I make beer mischief all over social media, talk about how pothole in a road and how people are drowning in a pothole and this and that. Remember, Pickersgill did say Jamaica is going to be pothole free by 2003 now. Remember, Pickersgill and the PJ Patterson, they said Jamaica is going to be pothole free by 2003. Remember, under Portia Simpson Miller, the Jeep program supposed to roll out and every road supposed to be fixed. Look like say every single wheel drop off of that the Jeep there. And the Portia Simpson Miller did not fix not one road. And I realize now since the Jamaica Labour Party came in government, we don't want everything to fix. I don't want it to fix now. We don't want to wait. We don't want to wait. Can't work. It cannot work. The government of Jamaica under Andrew Michael Holness leadership will roll out the Spark program next month. And Bolipa major roads will be fixed. So now have to worry yourself. And by the way, speaking of Kingston and St. Andrew, Member of Parliament Juliet Cuthbert Flynn has announced that solar lights are coming in the West Rural constituency. Solar lights are coming. Remember, under the People's National Party, you know, they never paid the bill to JPS for the street lights. And when Jamaica Labour Party won in 2016, Jamaica Labour Party had to pay $1 billion to JPS for street lights. Diego, you remember? Here Diego, so we already put them. Exactly, Comrade Diego. That is a member of parliament that is working. The PNP, Diego said there that the JLP member of parliament is working. Juliet Cuthbert Flynn will have a bigger up. Solar lights in West Rural St. Andrew. And me expect my MP, Rhoda Mike Crawford, to roll out that too. And the constituents of Central Manchester should be getting some solar lights very soon. That is a government that is working. PNP believe in a throw up wire and thief light. That is what the People's National Party believe in. Throw up your wire and thief light. That is the reason why down a Mark Golden constituency, nobody no pay a light bill. That is the reason why down a Angela Brownberg constituency, nobody pays for light. That is the reason why down a PN land, down a back to, down a Riverton dump where Anthony Hilton there, nobody pay electricity bill because the People's National Party believe in thieving light, throw up wire. That is the PNP style. But under Andrew Michael Holness, the government is providing solar lights for the people of Jamaica. The chosen one say, Mr. Williams, Donovan Williams, is providing solar lights for the people of Central Kingston. So they don't have to worry. Under the People's National Party, everybody a throw up wire. And then don't believe in a PN bills. Joanne, we would like it. Yes, Joanne, it is coming. Western St. Mary, that's Bobby Montague. Yes, solar lights are coming to Western St. Mary. Only the PNP constituents now worry about solar lights. When you hear any PNP MP ask about solar lights, which one of the PNP MP you hear inquire about solar lights? None of them. Because out of Philip Palwell constituency, Kingston and Port Royal, they don't believe in a pay light bill neither, you know. But the government of Jamaica, under Andrew Michael Holness, as I told you before, we believe in a prosperity over poverty. You know what that means? We believe that we must teach a man to fish. We believe that we must provide opportunity for young people. That is why the Andrew Holness administration made art free, so young people can go and learn a skill. That is why the Andrew Holness administration has given the public sector workers the highest salary increase since universal adult suffrage. That is why the Andrew Holness administration has built over 4 brand new hospitals and renovate over 100 health centers, because the government of Andrew Holness believe in a prosperity over poverty, progressiveness over poverty. We don't love poor people. We love progress. We love progress. The Andrew Holness administration not believe in a handout. We not believe in a rum and boom. We not believe in a special in a cup. We not believe in a $5,000 in a orange shirt. That is not our style. So the government of Jamaica is investing in solar lights. That is what the government of Jamaica is investing in, solar lights. The government of Jamaica is investing in health care. That is why this government is building a brand new hospital along a Cornwall Regional. Under the PNP, Cornwall Regional was a dump, was hazardous. PNP under Percival did not build not one hospital under the 18.5 years of Percival. Not one hospital. Not one. They did not build any police station. They did not renovate any police station. The police was working in the deplorable condition under the People's National Party. This Andrew Holness administration, comrades and friends, we believe in prosperity over poverty. We believe in policies over handout, progressiveness over handout. Teach a man to fish so he can fish for the rest of his life. That is the Andrew Holness administration. So solar lights are coming for the people of West Rural St. Andrew. Solar lights are coming for the people of Central Manchester. Solar lights are coming for the people of Jamaica. More solar lights, more cameras. Under Andrew Holness government. Under PNP, such man say when he becomes the security minister of Jamaica, he might go pay a fisherman for fight crime. Such man say when he become the security minister, he's gonna pay the fisherman them to fight crime. He's not going to invest in any more ship boats, any more helicopter, any more police vehicles. That's a waste of time. He's gonna pay the fisherman to fight crime. Those are the policies of the People's National Party. And this Andrew Holness government has invested over $1 billion in the security of this country. Over $1 billion. New police vehicle, new police station, new technology, new ballistic vest. That is what this Andrew Holness government has done for the security of this country. We have invested in cyber security. We have invested in the police force so that we can send them to go and train, so they can do a proper investigation. That is what the government of Andrew Holness done for the people of Jamaica. We don't only talk the talk, we walk the walk, we put the money where we mouth there, because Edward Siaga said it takes cash to care. And under PNP, there was no cash, so there was no care. Under Percival, there was no cash, so they did not care. So Jamaica became the murder capital of the world under Percival Noel James Patterson. And under Peter Bunting, Jamaica became the divine intervention. Under Peter Bunting, he had no clue. He had no plans. So he put up his hand and said, Lord, we need divine intervention because we can't bother. This Andrew Holness administration has invested in the security of this country. More cameras are coming. By next year, the government of Jamaica will be putting cameras in the street lights. We'll be building out the Jamaica Eye system and putting in cameras. So when you drive, everyone driving in Jamaica, there will be a camera everywhere picking up on every single move. Under the Andrew Holness administration, more cameras are coming. More cameras are coming. That is why Dr. Clark said, make we pay down with debt, so we can free up more money to spend on security. I don't know what Mark Jefferson Golding said. Mark Jefferson Golding said the government should give out, if it stop paying on the debt. We're not paying on the debt too fast. Slow down, stop paying on the debt, man. And give the people some money so they can buy some chicken back and some turkey neck and some rice. Because of that PNP believe in just a night dinner. Just a night dinner. Mark Jefferson Golding have no plans. He have no policy. Only time come. And when you ask the PNP, what are the plans that Mark Golding have for the people of Jamaica? He not tell you because I got teeth it. What do you mean? He not tell you no. He not have nothing to tell we. We already see Mark Golding plan. Mark Golding plan is to put chain on a black man neck. Mark Golding plan is to invest $20 million in Bahamas for low income housing. That is what Mark Golding plan. Mark Golding's plan is for a bunch of tapanaris to run the country. Remember when Dr. Clark first talk about the initiative to give back $20,000 to the low income earners, Mark Golding said, no, don't give it to them. Give it to the public sector workers. That is what he said. Does that sound like a man who care about poor people, comrades? Type in the chat and tell me, comrade. Does that sound like a man who have the country best interest at heart? When Dr. Clark announced the initiative, the 20,000 give back, Marky G said no. Give it to the public, add it to the public sector workers' money. That is what Marky British said. That is what a time come boss said. That is what a comrade leader said. That is what FinSat boss said. That is what the highest paid politician in the country said. He said, no, don't give it to you. That is what Mark Jefferson said. So when me ask, what are the policies of Marky G, you can't tell me because he has no plans. He have no policy. No, unknown. You are asking me want water. First of all, me can bet you any money and pay you and give you change so you don't have a water bill. You don't pay water bill, a thief, you thief water. And if you're not a paid customer of Water Commission, you cannot call Water Commission for them to truck water to you. If you're a paid customer and you're not getting water from Water Commission, like if the pump down or anything, you can call Water Commission and they truck water to you. So you unknown who in the chat tell me say you want water, you not pay a water bill. Set your job and catch water from God. Set your job and catch rainwater because you not pay a water bill. And I saw PNP people steer. Uno want reap corn, uno plant pea, uno plant it. We are right to me about you want water for. If you was a paid customer, you would have water. Because everybody knows that paid customers can call water commission and then chuck water to you. Me know that for a fact because my neighbor called water commission and then chuck water to she last month. So me know that. You have a water bill unknown? You have a water bill? If you have a water bill, call water commission. They will truck water to you. You don't need to come on this platform and talk about you want water. You see me have a shirt mark water commission? Do you see me have a shirt mark National Water Commission unknown? Eh? Unknown. Do you see me wearing a shirt mark National Water Commission? Eh? Go and go call water commission if you want water. And Andrew only supposed to give you water. Go and go call water commission. Or go and go call the councillor where you vote for and tell him if you vote for call water commission to give you water. You don't want to know. Jamaica Adventures. I'm a JLP, but I ain't voting. Who cares? Who cares? Who cares? That is your right. Who cares if you want to vote? That's your business, Papa. Nobody now beat you. Nobody now put no chain around your neck. Nobody now wrap up no 5,000 and no green shirt give you. You now get a romance special. So if you don't want to vote, for your business. Of your business. We are comfortable. I am a JLP. I may not vote. So what? Only reason we are not vote because you go to beg the MP something and you don't get it because you wanga got and licky and nyame. Only reason why if you say you're a Jamaica Labour Party supporter and you not vote, as something you ask for and not get. As something you ask for and you not get. Keep your vote. Keep your vote. Nobody not buy no vote from you. Or you can't go and go sell it to the PNP if you Roman Bowman special. Keep your vote, Papa. But you are JLP and you not vote. Keep your vote. We don't care. We don't care. If anybody don't see the work of the Jamaica Labour Party and the policies that the Jamaica Labour Party put in place that is benefiting the ordinary man and woman in the street and they don't want to vote, I found a business. And Jamaica and Adventures, I don't care if you're rich. Me never asked you that. Me never asked you that, Papa. I don't care. As for me and my house, we will be voting for the Jamaica Labour Party. It is your right. It is your right. It is your right. If you don't want to vote for the Jamaica Labour Party, and you want to sell your vote to the PNP for Roman Bowman special, who cares? Who cares? Me know why me a vote. Because me see the Jamaica Labour Party fixing roads. Me see the Jamaica Labour Party providing jobs and opportunities. Me see the Jamaica Labour Party providing fire truck, water truck, garbage truck, police vehicle, JUTC buses. Me see what me a vote for. Me see what me a vote for. Me see what me, that's your business. Me see what me a vote for. Under Andrew Michael Holness, Jamaica is being transformed right before our very eyes. Right before our very eyes. Under the People's National Party, when you go down at the hospital and you get your prescription, you can't fill it. Under Andrew Michael Holness, you can go over there and majority of the medication upon the NHF, you can get your prescription filled for less than $10,000. So me see why me a vote. Under Andrew Holness, when poor people Pitney left high school, they can go to Heart and get a skill. Under Andrew Holness, when poor people Pitney left high school, they can go to student loan and get a loan. And by the way, speaking of the student loan, me just read it in the paper that if you maintain a 2.5 GPA, you can get in and something can come off your loan. 2% can reduce from your interest. So me see what me a vote for. Under Andrew Holness, me see where poor people can buy one house. Me see where poor people can benefit through housing trust. Under People's National Party, they use housing trust money to buy outer many. And as we speak, goat and grass don't outer many. So me see why me need to vote. And me see why the well-thinking Jamaican people need to vote for the Jamaica Labour Party. I can tell you why I'm voting for the Jamaica Labour Party. Not because of conspiracy theories. Not because of foolishness. Wanna listen on YouTube. Someone wanna done some gullible. Every video will come up on YouTube, wanna run with it. Every video will come up on YouTube, wanna run with it. One stupid comrade come on my live last night and tell me, say, munchieb, oh, Andrew Holness say in build house for $9 million and that the house look like it no value $9 billion. Me say, comrades, do you think Andrew Holness literally build that house like a him find the contractor, pay the contractor and watch over the house? Then how you see him build it? You know, so no gullible and dunce. Every politician claim work. If one PNP people say a PJ build the highway, a PJ start PAD program, a PJ start NHF, a PJ this, a PJ that. And so we speak. Every MP claim work that is done by government agency, and so we talk. It does not mean that the member of parliament or the prime minister literally go in and do it himself. We don't need to think. That is why we so easily trick up. That is why PNP can brainwash on us all. That is why Dayton Campbell can send talking points from the PNP headquarters to you guys because you're not gullible. When you hear MP say they fix road, I know them literally fix the road. NWA fix it. But what they mean is that they made representation and they advocate for the road fix. So when you hear Andrew Holness say the house of $9 million, and that the agency them tell him, and that the government agency tell him, you don't think, no man. You don't think. Every single house that is being built under the government program go through the proper procurement procedure. Every single house. And Andrew Holness make it. We don't need to stop with the stupidness, comrades. We don't need to stop with the stupidness. Me asked one comrade last time, me said, comrade, who is the spending officer in the ministry? When Dr. Clark read out the budget and him say 350 million advocate for health, 400 million for security, etc., etc., etc. When Dr. Clark read out the budget and say this allocate for this allocate and this allocate for that, who is the spending officers in the ministry? Who signed the check? Here are the comrades them. We don't know, huh? So me say then, how come to the platform I talk about member of parliament thief money? I don't know who are the spending officers and who respond to sign if it put out every check. Eh? See why other idiot one day every girl side man. If you hear from your ear all your name, you know so you illiterate. Who want call themselves every girl side man? Eh? Who How low can you be? Lower self-esteem, non-progressive element, every girl side man. Yuck. Yuck. Look like you sound like you're Dre Brian side girl. Eh? You sound like you're Dre Brian, the barracuda from over TikTok when you're in Dre Brian. You sound like you're a inside girl. When the finance minister allocate money to the ministry, comrade, no member of parliament no spend that money. No member of parliament name no the pan no check a give to nobody run no corner. And also government work. And also government work, comrades. And also government work on it. Any money we spend from the ministry, the permanent secretary know about it. How many of you not call upon the permanent secretary? How many of you not ask the permanent secretary about no money we're missing in the ministry? The permanent secretaries are the spending officers. How many of you not call upon them and ask them to give account for no money we're missing in any ministry? Comrades? Under the People's National Party, the PNP thief them own a campaign fund. And now the PNP can't find out which comrade thief the PNP campaign fund. Anybody, any smart comrade can type in the chat and tell me who thief the PNP campaign fund? Or Andrew Owens can thief that too. They say thief don't like this thief with long bag and a throat. Because the People's National Party, uno thief from uno self. Uno thief from uno self. And now no can't find out who thief uno campaign fund. $450 million missing from the PNP-led municipality in Manchester, and I know no can't find out how that go. Under the People's National Party. You have the audacity to be talking about corruption. You have the audacity to be talking about money missing from ministry. I don't know who are spending officer in a ministry. In comrades, you don't know who are the spending officers in the ministry. I want to talk about money missing from ministry. You go and go educate on yourself first. Go and educate on yourself first. Go and go ask Master and Dayton. No, Nikita, me not black people. That's why the comrades they love over here. So, comrades, tap up the screen, please and thanks. Tap up the screen, comrades. First quiz, Mr. Lawrence Rowe, good night, Comrade Lawrence Rowe from Central Kingston. Good night, Comrade Lawrence Rowe from Central Kingston. The man that is walking around tricking people, boy, I'm going to help them get title when he win. When title office open right now, anybody can go down, they go get them title. Good night. Good night. Good night. The first thing uno comrade need to ask, uno go and go ask Dayton and Master, who are the spending officers in the ministries? Ask them. When the government allocate state fund to the ministry, who is the person who responds to allocate the money and spend the money and sign on the dotted line? Go and go find out, comrades. That's why I don't know why the People's National Party takes civics out of school. I don't know why Percival Noel James Pattison and Maxine Henry Wilson, who is the lazy Minister of Education and the history of Jamaica, I don't know why She takes civics out of school because we lost an entire generation because of the policies of the People's National Party. That is why scamming was started under the People's National Party. I didn't say physics, chemical. I said civics. C-I-V-I-C. The People's National Party took it out of school in the 90s because they want to keep Jamaican people dumb and dunce. Because you know what? The government of Jamaica under Andrew Holness and Favour need to start teach from the primary level how government work. Because a lot of PNP time come people, they don't know nothing. They only knows the time come and they want $5 grand from the MP when the MP drive past. That's all they know. That is the reason why Lawrence Rowe is walking around in Central Kingston telling the people that when him win, he might go help them get land title for them capture house where they live in. That is the reason why Comrade Lawrence Rowe is walking around in Central Kingston trying to get vote and telling the people of Central Kingston that when him win, he might go help them get title for them house. The title office is already open. You no need Lawrence Rowe for help. You can get up off on a body and go down there go help yourself. Comrades! You don't need Lawrence Rowe to help you get title for your house. The government agencies are there. Comrades in Central Kingston, the government agencies are there to help you. You don't need Comrade Lawrence Rowe to help you. Make Lawrence Rowe go and go find something to do. Him only want to no vote. Him now come with nothing new. Because Mr. Ronnie Tweet said the PNP presides over the greatest transfer of wealth from the poorer class people to the rich Tapanaris people. So Lawrence Rowe now no plan. Lawrence Rowe now no policy. You no careful with no vote. You no stick with Donovan. Stick with Donovan Williams. He must clean up Central Kingston because under PNP, the people of Central Kingston still a shit in a bucket. Still a shit in a plate. Under PNP, the people of Central Kingston still a use plastic bag and a throw it over wall. Under PNP, the people of PNland still use plastic bag to relieve themselves. For those people of Central Kingston, stick with Donovan Williams. He is working on your behalf. Don't allow Comrade Lawrence Rowe to trick you. No. The PNP have no plan. The PNP have no policy. The PNP believe in a poverty and handout. The PNP believe in a $5,000 in an orange shirt. The PNP believe in a rum special in a cup and dance around in an orange shirt. And you notice how they can't really sing My Father Banya again because no Marky G, no Banya. That's all they want. A night dinner. After they win, you know, see them back. Carl Frank Carl Smith winning that Patrick division. We don't take we here see him back. The People's National Party under Mark Jefferson Golding have no plans for the people of Jamaica. No plans, no policies. What Marky G is planning to do is to stop pay down the debt and give handout to PNP people. That is what Marky G is planning. That is why he said when he win, him and a bunch of tapanaris are going to run the country. That is why Marky G is using $20 million to invest in low-income housing in the Bahamas, while the people of Craigtown in a jungle is still bathing outside. That is why the people, them don't pay land, can't get running water from Angela Brown Burke. Because she believe in taxing Ancat, taxing Stay Free, taxing Pampas, taxing salt. Everything. PNP is a party of tax and more tax. When Angela Brown Burke was the mayor, she was the market mayor. The Kingston and St. Andrew was deplorable. As a matter of fact, Kingston and St. Andrew under Mayor Swaby is still in a deplorable condition. Papine Market is dirty. Papine Market is nasty. Papine Park is dirty. Papine Park is nasty under the leadership of Mayor Swaby. Mayor Swaby, you know, see Papine Market. You don't see Papine Park in Swaby? What are you doing? Comrade Mayor Swaby, what are you doing? The market in Papine is in a deplorable condition. The park in Papine is in a deplorable condition. Mayor Swaby, time come for you to clean up the Papine market. Time come for you to remove the garbage skip from the corner of the Papine market. Time come for you to clean up the park in Papine. Mayor Swaby, where are you? Where are you, Mayor Swaby? Kingston and St. Andrew is in a deplorable condition under Comrade Mayor Swaby. Kingston and St. Andrew is in a deplorable condition under Comrade Mayor Swaby. Garbage everywhere. Garbage everywhere. Thank God for Desmond Mackenzie fix up Crossroad Market, and that is a PNP market. And under PNP leadership, Crossroad Market worse than a Riverton dump, worse than a pigsty. Thanks to Desmond Mackenzie, who allocated the fund and tell us, no man, clean up this place because we don't want no cholera if we broke out in Jamaica. Thanks to Desmond Mackenzie. Because I'm telling you, guys, before Desmond Mackenzie fix up Crossroad, we don't never see over there stay. Eh? Barracuda Dre Bryan. Shit in a plate, Dre Bryan. You do your pop smear yet? Dre Bryan. Walking ice truck. Walking skettle. You do your pop smear yet? Eh? We don't want a big fish over here. Diego, tell Dre Bryan say me don't want a big, nasty, dirty batty boy over here. Me don't want no shit in a plate batty boy over here. Lift up, Dre Bryan. Lift up. Lift up and not come nasty up over here so we just thinking batty what we are drain. Lift up, Papa. You're kind of over here. No fish bucket welcome here. No Riverton sewage tank over here. Lift up shit in a bucket. This is an aquarium party. Lift up. You come over here if you come and make tape. Let me tell you something, Dre Bryan. You could have taped me 100 times. You could have spliced me video 100 times or whatever. You can't take me off of TikTok. Make sure I warn you. It's going to take 10 of you. It's going to take 10 of you, Dre Brian. You take me off of TikTok. Go and go do your pap smear. Your leak. Your leak, Dre Brian. Go and go do your pap smear. Go on over Andre Stefano with P. Diddy Stevens. You're tight that. You want him go and go lie down in the one room. Alright, we're done with you. Before Desmond McKenzie allocate the funds to fix up the Crossroad Market, under the People's National Party, the market was a garbage dump. There was no running water, no bathroom facilities, dark cat, roach, rat, every single thing living at the market of Crossroad. So I want to thank Minister McKenzie. I want to thank you on behalf of the people of Jamaica, Minister McKenzie, for allocating the funds to fix up the Crossroad Market, because I tell you the PNP, why the PNP, hey, one thing with PNP, you know, they not see nothing wrong with the condition. Now I'm calling on the minister. Minister, one of you can call me a swear attention to the market in Papine and the park in Papine. The Papine market is in a deplorable condition. Papine Park is in a deplorable condition. Where is the mayor of Kingston and St. Andrew? Garbage is everywhere downtown. Where is Mayor Swaby? The government of Jamaica has provided garbage truck to pick up garbage in the town, and the PNP is trying to hire private trucks to pick up garbage. The People's National Party is trying to hire them private truck man them to pick up garbage, but the government of Jamaica will have none of it. And Desmond McKenzie now give you no money for hire private truck, because the government of Jamaica has provided garbage truck to work in the constituency and in the division. This Andrew Holness administration has bought garbage trucks to work in the municipalities. So no bother with it PNP, but you don't want hire private trucks. We will have none of it. Every time the People's National Party in a power, they try to look work for them people them. Every time the People's National Party in a power, they try to find work for them PNP people. We not short a garbage truck, me a Swaby. We not short a garbage truck, me a Michelle. We not short a garbage truck, me a Scott. We're not short a garbage truck, me a Fitzroy Wilson. There is enough garbage trucks in the country. Allocate them and use them appropriately. Allocate the garbage trucks and use them appropriately. There will be no hiring of private trucks. Message to the PNP mayors. There will be no hiring of private garbage trucks. So no bother with it. The Andrew Holness administration has provided garbage trucks. Enough garbage trucks are here. You know, always a try look hustling for the PNP people. You know, always a try look hustling for the PNP people. We will have none of it. The garbage trucks are here. They are big enough. You don't need to allocate them and make them do their work. You know, always a try to hustle PNP. The People's National Party is a party we believe in a hustle. That is why the PNP make sure say they make all of the JUTC transport of them in a PNP garrison, because the PNP always a try to eat a food. The eat a food mentality was started under the People's National Party. Them always a look at hustle. The PNP always a look at hustle. Wanna use up the garbage truck them Diego, where the government buy with tax dollars. Use them up. There is no shortage of garbage trucks in the country. No shortages of garbage truck. But because the PNP want to hire them private trucks, they must sabotage the process. They must sabotage the process because they want to say we don't have enough garbage trucks because they want to give them private man have opportunity to eat a food. Because they want to give them private man, them Tariq, to eat a food because the PNP love the eat a food mentality. The eat a food mentality, man, was started under the People's National Party. Then don't believe in a sweat of your bro. They don't know PNP and honesty and integrity no walk hand in hand. Honesty and integrity are not friends of the People's National Party. So they want to pretend that we do not have enough garbage trucks in the country. That is a lie from the pit of hell. Only the PNP run municipalities and pull out them tricks there. We have enough. We have enough garbage trucks in the country. We have enough garbage trucks in the country. Organize on yourself, PNP councillors and PNP municipalities, and allocate them properly. And send them out into the communities to collect the garbage. You know, always try eat a food. Eat a food mentality, that is the PNP. That is where you then say, oh, when PNP na power, me used to make more money and we used to have more hustling and we used to could have make more money. All illegal activities thrive under the People's National Party. Every illegal activity thrive under the People's National Party. That's why you hear the taxi man them a ball. Oh, too much police up on the road. We are get too much ticket. Well, taxi man, I have news for you. I have news for you because Dr. Chang said the JCF is now 14,100 strong. The JCF under Andrew Michael Owens is now 14,100 strong. So more police officers are coming. So all the wrongdoers, all the criminal elements, all the dirty corner boy, the JCF is 14,000 strong. In a 2016, in a 2015, under the PNP, we have less than 11,000 police officers in this country because they weren't being paid properly. They had low morals. But since 2016, I can happily report to you that the JCF is 14,000 strong. Want to hear that, comrades? Comrades, you want to hear that? You want to hear that, comrades? The JCF is 14,000 strong. You think you're going to see police yet on the street? Watch and see. Watch and see. The Jamaica Labour Party is investing in the security of this country. The Jamaica Labour Party is investing heavily in the security of our beautiful country. We will take back our country from the criminal elements and the dirty corner boy and the People's National Party. We will not allow the PNP to come back in government and wreck this country like what they did under the 18.5 years of the People's National Party. We will not allow it. We will not allow Mark Jefferson Golding and his bunch of tapanaris to come in and wreck the economy like what Omar Davis did under the 18.5 years of Percival Noel James Pattison. We will not allow it. We will not allow it.